Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is RemotePC and RealVNC Connect. So to get started with a quick analysis and the comparison between the two platforms. So to get started, RemotePC in 2025 stands out for its user-friendly setup, affordable pricing, and a reliable performance for remote desktop access. It supports always-on access, multi-platform compatibility, file transfer, and even a cloud backup on certain plans. It's especially popular among the freelancers, small teams, and educators thanks to its balance of features and ease of use without needing a deep technical skills. RealVNC Connect, meanwhile, is known for a strong security architecture and a performance in corporate settings. It uses VNC technology to cross a platform access and offer a high-grade encryption, granular users control, and support for attended and unattended section. While it may require more setup and has a steeper learning curve, it's ideal for IT teams that prioritize security and centralized management. So here's the very conclusion about these two platforms. So you can simply opt in for RemotePC if you want an affordable, easy to use remote access with essential features, while you can simply go for RealVNC Connect if you need a more secured enterprise grade solution with a robust permission and a technical flexibility. And that's it.